I'm Amy Lake. I'm a mom of 8 children, which is why I'm hiding in a closet to make this video. And I have been watching so many DIY mask videos. I have worn many masks, and I've been searching for the best no-sew mask. While wearing masks, I have been very annoyed by the fogging up of my glasses and tried different things, and I found what works. If you pull the mask up as high as you can toward your eyes, it helps a little bit. Still fogs up, but not quite as bad. But if you pull the mask up pretty high, and then you lower your glasses, you don't have to go full little old lady, but you just lower them as low as you're comfortable, the fogging stops. Solved. Also want to share the best DIY no-sew mask out there, and the most comfortable mask I have found is the one that ends up looking like this. It is 2 pieces of a t-shirt that you love. You cut about 10 by 7, 8 by 6. You just get a size that you like. This is 8 by 6. You cut off 1-inch strip off the bottom of the t-shirt and stretch, and then it turns into this thin stretchy tie that's very comfortable and lightweight and adjustable. And then you take that one piece, and with about 10 holes punctured through each side, you lace it like you're lacing shoelaces. Up one side, keep the loop here, and go up and down the sides on the other. And that is it. It is so easy and so comfortable. Then when you're done, you just put it over your head and then pull up and tighten. And you have the best mask out there. But if you need extra protection, because this is 2 very thin little layers, what you can do is when you make the t-shirt and you cut out the piece that you like, you fold the shirt so that there's 4 layers of shirt here instead of just the 2. So now I've got 4, and I've got the sealed piece where you folded it. So you can sew up the sides, lace without any needles, any thread, sew up the sides, and then you've got a sealed piece right there. So with your sealed piece, you then have the open top as a filter pocket. So you could put more fabric, or you could put shop towels or paper towels, and you've got extra protection. So I really wanted to share with you how to have no more fog in your glasses when you wear a mask. And the best mask out there for no-sew. All you need is a t-shirt and scissors. And I'll try to put details below and get my kids to help me do this, because I've never made a YouTube video like this. So hope this helps. Bye.